Okay, I'm Andrew Larder from MarketingSharks.com. This is called Shorts Profit Builder, and I thought it was a way to make shorts, as in shorts, reels, short videos, TikTok videos. In fact, it's a website builder. You enter in one keyword, and it creates the website using and fills it with shorts. So in the podcast, I use abs description idea as a thing to it. I don't know. Motivational speakers would be another one. So picture having whatever motivational speaker, chicken noodle, chicken soup for the soul guy, or I can't come up with his name. Doesn't matter. Different motivational speakers as the affiliate programs. You're leading into their thing, and you grab whatever shorts they have, short little tiny clips from different affiliate motivational speakers. Tony Robbins is the one I was trying to grab there, but Zig Ziglar, there's lots of great guys out there. So I'm not saying that you steal their content. I'm saying it's got to be public kind of domain, freely available kind of stuff, or Creative Commons, that kind of thing. But you can grab motivational people, have people come to see motivational speaker kind of clips. They're all shorts. And then it leads you have your affiliate things for whatever it is. It's done by George Katsoudas, so the Greek geek. Amazing amount of bonuses. I'm just going to show you quickly. So this won a special deal. I clicked on it. It saves you $2. The link is in, or the code is in my my website. So you click the link in the video description. It'll take you to my website. Grab the code. There you get it. No problem. And I'm just going to get rid of that. If that pops up, you can click on it. Same sort of thing. Let's see here. Let's see if I can just go through. They're getting traffic. That's the thing that they really want to show, is you can create a bunch of different shorts and loop it around a topic. Bam, bam. Profit from other people's shorts, make money, get traffic. That's the whole thing. And then so you can see here, template, site name, keyword. With somewhere here, there's a keyword, maybe a bit more. Then you put in the keyword. Bam, it grabs all like this. And all of a sudden you've got look at this, lose weight fast, my weight loss blog, whatever you want it to be. And then you can look at this over here on the side. You can see the, that looks like Google AdSense at the top, and then a banner ad. You can do all that kind of stuff to profit from it. And on top of all that, there's mental bonuses. He shows, on my website, it shows all the plugins. There's like 10 different plugins. There's about 10 different products that are included as well. It's not, they just showed 2 things there. That's nothing. And the whole thing, $16 and away you go. And I guess multi-site is $16 to build 3 sites. Away you go. You can do it on their domain. You get all the bonuses. Go check it out. This offer is now expired, but the link is, the coupon code is in my website. So click the link, go to the website, grab the coupon code, away you go. Save you $2. It's $14 or $16 no matter what. Check it out. I'm Andrew Larder from MarketingSharks.com. Fresh out today from George Katsoudas. It's called Shorts Profit Builder. Crank out some websites based on keywords and monetize it. And shorts brings in the traffic. So enjoy. I'm Andrew Larder from MarketingSharks.com.